In today's video, we will be seeing the growth that's happening in the downtown Punta Cana area. Get comfortable because this video starts right now. Back in April 2022, I published a video on how the downtown Punta Cana area was developing. If you haven't watched it yet, I encourage you to do so after today's presentation. I'll leave the link in the description below. You will notice a big difference with what you will see in today's video. I visited the downtown Punta Cana area just a few days ago to capture both aerial and ground level shots so you can get a real sense of what's happening. From hotels, shopping centers, restaurants, nightlife, and condo projects, downtown Punta Cana is a hotspot for investors who wish to be in the middle of it all. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy today's visuals on downtown Punta Cana. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos showcasing updates on numerous projects, I invite you to become a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the notification bell and choose the all option so you can get a friendly reminder that a new video had just been published on this channel. And give these videos a thumbs up. These simple yet meaningful things will help this channel in its continuous growth. And share this information with others so they too can be up to date. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.